Once again, going to be doing some more kayaking today, but this time I am on my own. All the car park spaces are becoming free all of a sudden. I think I might as well leave the car here though. Okay, so I'm going to just nip to the toilet very quickly, and then I'm going to get the kayak set up right down the far end, get myself straight on the lake, guys. You're welcome to stay with me. Tell you what, I would give anything for one of these houses on the lake. You just get your kayak off, just sail to the jetty, climb off, leave your kayak out to dry, no worries, you can go fishing. Come on in. Check this out, guys. Looks like an old jetty of some sort. It does make you think about what was behind all this bramble here. If there used to be a house there or just some jetty. Either way, this comes out. I mean, for all we know, that could have gone quite the way. You know, could have come out to about here. I'm guessing the ground isn't too low. Below is just here. That's awesome. The kind of views that you don't get to see when you're just having a walk around places like Rudyard. And you come here by boat, you get to see so much more. Now wood's proper rotten, isn't it? So I've been out here now for around about, I'd say about an hour, just having a little break, catching up on my emails and text messages of all things. I was the only person out here, but you can see there's some rowers there just coming, or should I say going back to the jetty. So I'm still quite close to that little wooden jetty ruin thing that I found. Still, it's only there. I had to stop, as you may have seen on the camera, did have to stop because I was letting in a lot of water. Just down there, there's one either side, and then there's one at the back. There's little drain holes so you can let any water out quickly. One of them must have been slightly open. I just looked down and there's like loads of water there, and I was just like, oh great. Back where the boat club is down there, which you can't even see, there is two houses next to it, and one of them houses does look abandoned. I think I've shown it in previous videos. I'm not sure, maybe someone does own it, but I was going to stop there. I was very tempted, and then I thought, I've come all this way, letting water in, so I decided to go to the boat club, came off the jetty there, basically just picked the kayak upside down and just let the water run out of it. Could do with like a head mount, I think, for my GoPro. What do you reckon? So basically, this will be your view, and wherever I look, you know, you'll see. Very distance over there, there's a heron. Literally, there's a single tree in the middle. Wait, let me turn you around. Yes, it is. Wow, guys, you don't see herons very often. So you've got the middle tree on its own, and then the group of trees here, and just below it, to the right, there's a heron. It's massive. I'll try and pedal along slowly. There's some guys down there in kayaks. Wow, it's so still. I hope I don't scare it off. I think I've only seen like 4 herons in my whole life. I'm trying to get slowly alongside him, but the wind's kind of against me. Oh, there's another one. There's another one, guys. No word of a lie. Look, there's this one here. I'm sure you can see him by now. Look. In the water he goes. And there's another one. Look, the second one. Wow, guys. That is so cool. Landed in the tree. I didn't know herons landed in trees. Morning. This is pretty much right down the end of the lake now. They do ask you to kindly not go as far as that campsite over there. This is a bit of a nature reserve in here. When you walk from the other side, you can see that there's places for birds and hedgehogs, badgers, all different types of ducks. It's pretty fantastic. Me and Sylvia have actually walked along this bit of grass before, and we tried to do a little bit of sunbathing, but it gets really... Was it there, or was it more over that way? It might have been more that way, but wherever it was getting really boggy, and there was cows. Like, the cows were literally in the water. I mean, obviously it doesn't go so deep. As the water level comes up to the ground level, the cows were standing in the water, and they must have been so hot. It'd be cool if they would come down now, because there's a farm right on the other side of that hill over there. It'd be pretty cool if the cows came down again, or at least some horses. don't have my wetsuit on today, so I wouldn't fancy getting out on the land, having a break, and then coming back. I mean, I could do, I suppose, but I need to get myself some rope, maybe to tie the thing up. I do have this, so I brought this out with me since day one, even on my old kayak, I used to use it. And it told me to tie the boat up. You know, when you sort of get in and out of it, you want to leave it somewhere. It's probably a good idea to tie it up, and especially when you're climbing in and out. So today I am on my own. What we normally do is I'll hold the boat stiff while Sylvia climbs in, and then she'll hold herself to the side while I climb in. So we've got it pretty sturdy. It's a great place for bird spotting here. If you're into bird watching, bring some binoculars out, which I do have, by the way. I should bring them. I can hear birds. Oh, it's flying around here in the sky. I think there's 2 or 3. Oh, there's 3 of them. Oh, there's 4 of them. 5 of them. Oh, 6 of them. 7 of them. Now I'm seeing them. I can see loads. Not sure what kind of birds they are. They're too far away, but they're only small. I'm just contemplating on whether or not when I go back down, to go along that side or go back the way I came, which is this side. I think that couple, they came along here, then they've come this way and they're going back down there. Now I don't know why, but by habit I always come this way. So I might go over to the trees and along that way after, you see. It's such a glorious day today. I couldn't have picked a better day. Just having a little stretch of the legs before I make the journey back. I kind of, when I'm here, I sort of don't, oh, there's the heron again. There's the heron. Hopefully you can see it. It's on the water level. Is he going to land? Stopping on the grass. And he stopped. When I'm here, I kind of never want to leave. I think I'd love my own boat. An actual boat with a motorboat. Somebody behind me. I swear I could hear someone walking though. I think you can buy sails for kayaks. Imagine how cool that would be. Fitting a little sail to this though. So guys, we count the 3rd house over, starting with the one on the far left. Wait. And then you've got a brown and cream one next to it, and then the next one along has got 2 big skylight windows. That is for sale currently. I'd probably say, in all honesty, it could be the same size as my house actually. Looking at it from over here, I'd say it's about the same. You've got no garden with that one, but you do have a lake, so make of that what you will. fully packed the kayak away. I'm going to do that at home. So I've just sat for around about 40 minutes on the grass. I had a coffee and I was letting the kayak dry off. Hey baby, come on in. Oh, there we go. That's a good girl. That's a proper hug. That's a proper hug. It's a very big backpack. Oh, is that nice? I did spill some coffee on this. It's nice to get my shoes off. Feet are a bit wet. So yeah, I waited for about 40 minutes for the kayak to completely dry out. There's probably still a little bit that needed to dry off, but generally it was quite dry. I'm gonna have my dinner first. I am starving. I'll let it all dry off. I spilled coffee down it. As I was picking it up, the coffee cup that I had, it poured coffee out. So I was like, damn. Well, just give it that quick hose. Maybe another half an hour and it should be dry. How are you doing, baby? How's my Luna? Oh, she good. I'm back home now. And Neptune. Neptune. Tiki. Come on. Come on. Come on then. Cuddles, matey, cuddles. That's a good boy. I'm gonna leave it out now for a few hours. Probably by the time Sylvia comes home, it'll still be here, and that's in. It's 2 o'clock now. So we've got 3, 4, 5, 6. So we've got 5 more hours. I'm gonna leave it out here for 5 hours, let it completely dry out, and then I'm gonna try and fold it up properly, get it in that backpack, put it away until next time. I am going to go ahead and end this video here, guys. Thank you very much for watching. If you've enjoyed this one, don't forget to drop a like down below, subscribe if you are new, and hopefully I'll see you in the next one.